Last topic is about factors. So let's have a review first. Factors are divisible by a number without any remainder. So in short, factors, we can divide factors by another number without leaving any remainder. For example, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So how did we get these factors? Let's look at this. 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 12 divided by 12 equals 1. We have these answers. Do they have any remainder? They don't have, right? Okay, so that's how we get the factors of numbers. Now let's move on. For this topic, we have two methods of prime factorization. But today we will be learning about the number one, factor tree method. Why did we call it factor tree method? We will know it later. So let's move on. We have 5 vocabularies. I will be reading this and I want you to follow. Do you understand? And I want you to unmute if you will read, okay? Do not forget your mic. So let's start with number 1, prime numbers. Unmute.
Number.
Again, prime numbers.
Prime number.
Very good. Next, number 2, composite numbers.
Composite number.
Again, composite numbers.
Composite number.
Very good. Number 3, prime factorization.
Factorization.
One more time, prime factorization.
Factorization.
Very good. Number 4, exponential notation.
Exponential notation.
One more time, exponential notation.
Notation.
Okay, number 5, product.
Product.
One more time, product. Okay, so I will call some students to read the vocabulary. Let's start with Jenny. Please read number 1 until number 5. Start. Prime. Jenny. Are you shy, Jenny? Okay, so follow teacher, okay? Prime numbers.
Prime numbers.
Very good. Composite numbers.
Composite numbers.
Prime factorization.
Prime factorization.
Exponential notation.
Exponential
Product.
product.
Good job, Jenny. Next will be Jan. Please read the vocabulary.
Prime numbers. Composite numbers. Prime factorization.
Exponential notation.
Exponential notation.
Very good. Last.
Products.
Okay, very good. Next will be ping pong. Read the vocabulary.
Prime number, composite number, prime factorization, exponential notation, product.
Okay, ping pong, let's repeat number 2. Composite numbers?
Composite number.
Very good. Next, number 4, exponential notation.
Exponential notation.
Very good. So that's for our vocabulary. Now let's move on. We have prime numbers. Prime number is greater than 1 that has only 2 factors, which is 1 and itself. In short, prime numbers have only 2 factors. For example, we have 2, 3, and 5. The factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Next, number 3. What is the factors of 3? Remember, prime numbers have only 2 factors. So what are the factors of 3?
1 and 3.
Very good. How about 5?
1 and 5.
Very good, Pan. Okay, so take note that when we are finding the factors of a number, we always start with the lowest number, which is 1. Do you understand? Is that clear? And then we always end with the highest number, which is the number itself. Is that clear? Now let's move on. We have the list of prime numbers from number 1 until 100. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Can you see the numbers with a yellow background? You can take a picture or take a note. It's up to you. So these are the list of prime numbers from number 1 until 100. Next, composite number. If prime numbers have only 2 factors, composite numbers have more than 2. If we say more than 2, we have 2, 3, 4, or 5, and so on. Do you understand? So please remember prime numbers and composite numbers. Now, for example, we have 4, 6, 8, 9. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. How about the factors of 6? Who can give me the answer? For 6, we have 1. What else?
2.
2. Very good. What else? 3. And 6. Very good, Jenny and Pat. Next, for number 8. What are the factors of 8?
1.
1, 2, 4, and
8.
8. Very good. How about 9?
1.
What else? 3 and
9.
9. Very good. So that's for composite numbers. Do you understand it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's move on to prime factorization. So this one is what we call factor 3. We multiply prime numbers to get another prime numbers. For example, we have 56. The factors of 56, we have 8 and 7. So which are composite number? Is it 7 or 8? Which of this is composite number? 7 or 8? It's
7.
Are you sure?
8.
8. Because 7 is a prime number. Why? We only have 2 factors, 1 and 7. And for 8, we have many factors. Now let's look at this one. The factor 3 for 8 is 2 and blank. What will we multiply to 2 in order to get 8?
4.
4. Very good, Jenny. So we have 4. Now, look at 2 and 4. Which of this is composite number? Which of this?
4.
Very good. It's 4. Now, let's factorize again. What number will we multiply to 2 to get 4?
two,
2, very good. Look at this. 56, we have 7 and 8, and then 8 is 2 and 4, and 4 is 2 and 2. I want you to give me the prime numbers in the factor 3 that you can see. We have 4. So what are those? 7,
7, 2,
2, 2, and 2. We have 3 2's, right? So we'll write the answer as 56 equals 7 times 2 times 2 times 2. We can also write the answer as 7 times 2 to the power of 3. Now look at the 3, the small number 3 at the top of 2. We call that one exponential notation. Why did we use that number? Because you count. How many 2 do we have?
3,
3. So we will use to the power of 3. Do you understand?
yes,
Take note that we only use this if we have repeated number. Is that clear? Now let's move on to the other example. Prime factorization for 78. What is the number missing here? 2 times blank equals 78. You can use your notebooks, multiplication table, and look at it. What will we times to 2 in order to get 78? It's, who knows the answer already? Grade 6 is very good in math, right? So solve. What is the missing number? Who knows the answer? Who will I call?
39,
39. Very good, Pang. Now, what are the numbers that we will multiply to get 39? Give me 2 numbers. Or give me the factors of 39.
3,
We have 3 and
3, and
we have
3
this.
and 13.
13. Very good, Jenny. So 3 times 13 is equals to 39. 2 times 39 is equals to 78. Now give me the prime numbers here.
2, 3, and 13.
Again,
39,
what are the prime factors here?
2,
We have 2, 3, and
13.
13. We have 3. So the answer will become 2 times 3 times 30. Is that clear? Is it clear? Is it easy for
Yes.
you?
yes,
Yes, wow, very good. Now let's move on here. We have 162, 2 times 81, and the factors of 81 are 3 and 27. Again, the composite number is 27, so we'll be doing 3 and 9. And what are the factors of 9? What are the factors of 9 here in the screen? 3 and
3,
3. Very good. So how many 3 can you see?
4,
4. So we'll be writing the answer as 2 times 3 to the power of 4, right? Because we have 4 number 3. Next, we have your activity. Now open your books. It's your turn. Open your books to page 30. Page 30, do and learn. All of you, please open your books. Are you all in there?
yes,
Okay, are you ready to answer?
yes,
no,
Yes, of course, yes. Tang said no. Why? Okay, let's start with Letter A. So express the following numbers as products of prime factors using factor tree diagrams. Give each answer in index notations. So for example, we have 52. So I give you one prime number here, 13. What will we multiply to 13 to get 52?
4.
4. Let's see. Very good. 13 times 4. Now, which is composite number, 13 or 4?
4.
4. Very good. Can you give me the factors of 4? Prime numbers only. 2 and 2. Very good. So the answer is 2 and 2. Now, give me the 3 prime numbers for letter A. 13. What else? 2 and 2. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? They're waiting for my answer. Okay, Pang, what is your answer? 13 times?
Oh. 2.
2? Okay,
2 times 2.
Yes, that's
Times
correct.
13.
That's correct, but it said in the instruction, give each answer in index notation. Index notation, we have to the power of count.
2.
How many 2 do we have?
2.
2. So the answer will be 13 times 2 to the power of 2.
2.
Okay, so for the others, very good. For the others, you write your answers in your book. Next will be letter B. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to write the answers. For the others, if you're done, you can start answering letter B, and then we will be discussing about it later. Okay, letter B, 84. Let's do the factor tree diagram for 84. So first, I'll give you number 21. What will we times 21 to get 84?
4.
4. Very good. But, okay, you can write 4 to the other side. Now, let's look at the factors of 21 again. I'll put 7 here. What will we times to 7 to get 21?
3.
3. Very good, Pan and Ping Pong and Jenny. Okay, next will be 4. What are the factors of 4? I need the prime numbers.
2.
2. Very good. So we'll be putting 2 and 2. The answer will become 7 times 3 times 2 to the power of 2. For the others, do you understand? Can you follow us? If you have questions, ask me, okay?
Yeah.
So finish writing that. We can move on to page 31 later. If you're done, you can answer page 31 in advance. If you're done copying, let's move on to next page. Go to page 31 of your book. Exercise number 1. It said here, express the following numbers as products of prime factors. Give your answer in index notation. So like what we did a while ago again, letter A. Factor 3 for 78. We have this. I gave you the factor 3. Now I want you to write your own answer. We have 13, 6, 2, and 3. Write the prime numbers in the answer. Take note, if we don't have a repeated number, do not use index notation, okay? We have 3 prime numbers, right? Next, for letter B, we have 162. So I started a factor tree diagram. I want you to complete and then afterwards, write your answer, final answer. Take note again, you can use index notation because we have a repeated number in there. Next, for letter C, the given number is 90. And we have an incomplete factor tree diagram. Complete the missing numbers or write the missing numbers and write your final answer as well as letter D, okay? Let's go to E and F. This is your time to write your own answer. You follow what we did a while ago, okay? Use factor tree diagram. Write your answers in index notation if you can. So, E and F. Now let's answer letter A. Let's look at letter A. The correct answer is 13 times 2 times 3. Is that your answer? Is that your answer? Wow, very good. How about letter B? What are the missing number here? Can you give me the missing number under 27? What is it?
9.
9. Very good. How about the missing number under 6?
3.
3. So the answer must be 2 times 3 raised to the power of 4. Is that your answer?
Yes.
Yes, very good. For letter C, what is the missing number? Under 6? What is the missing number for 6? It's 3, right? And then under 15, we have 5. So your answer shall be 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2 times 5. In your answer, it's up to you on how to write the order of number. If you want to write 5 first, you can write 5 times 2 times 3 to the power of 2. It's like that, okay? For letter D, what is the missing number under 135? 9 times blank again.
3.
Under 135. 9 times blank equals 135. What's the answer?
9 times 15.
15. Very good. So the answer is 15. So your answer must be 3 to the power of 3 times 5. Now your activity will be letter E and F. Did you do your activity? If you're done doing it, I want you to pass your book if you can only. It's okay if you cannot. Here in school, so I can check it. Do you understand? You can take a picture here, or you can take a note for you to copy later. Okay, so that's the end of our class. Did you understand the topic?
Yes, sir.
You can watch this again on YouTube on Friday. I think they will post it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again for our next meeting format will be Thursday, the same hour. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Thank you for joining the class and do your homework or your activity
Okay,
letter E and F for
sir.
page 31. Is that clear? That
Okay.
clear? Okay,
Yes,
so I'll see you
sir.
again on Thursday. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.